money to go. $7 billion is needed to eliminate hunger from this whole wide world. Every 10 seconds, a child dies in this world. We're trying to survive 32 hours without eating anything, without. And it's gonna be very, very hard, very, very difficult, pushing my body to the highest I've ever done before. We have to find a way to stop me, because if you don't stop me every single hour, pay 50 naira. Why I pay 50 naira to contribute to the orphanage? That means every single hour I survive without eating, it equals to 100 naira to the world. Let's go survive 30 hours. Throughout this video, you're gonna be seeing me doing some kind of chores. So guys, right now time is 11:06. We're gonna go in 100x time lapse. Start. Yes, guys, just reached 1 hour without eating. So we are going to go inside, go congratulate him now. What's up? He just reached 1 hour, so congratulations. Congratulations to him. So guys, right now we have just reached 1:09. 2 hours done. 1:09. 2 hours done. 28 more hours to go. So guys, right now we're about to go and show ball. And it takes 2 hours to show ball finish. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next 2 hours. That'll be a nice start to get to give it to you guys. So guys, I just came back right now. This is half time for the match, and this is 3 hours. I've gone in 3 hours, 27 more hours to go. Then surprisingly, my brother tried his first attempt to stop me. Watch what happens.
He says, if you like, eat the food. I'm not tired.
I bluntly rejected this offer and I had to continue.
So guys, right now these are actually 3:36. You can see it. These 3:36, that means we have clocked 4 hours. Our past 4 hours, that means we're actually donating 400 to the orphanage. Right now, it's getting to me right now. 4 hours without eating. We have 26 more hours to go. I'm just fully tired right now. Just 4 hours in. We have 26 more hours to go. And I'm already pissed now. By His grace, I'm gonna see you guys. Gonna see you guys by 5. Right now, I think we'll close 5 hours. 5 hours. We have 25 more hours to go. Like, so getting hungry, getting dizzy. But if I got grace, we're gonna put two together. We're gonna put two. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next hours. It's absolutely getting tired right now. Now the home food actually coming. This is almost 5. Almost 5 because I'm not eating. See. What's up, people? I'm going to go paint him now the second round. There's actually I can buy something called roasted plantain outside. They call it boy. So let's go. Afternoon. Want to buy bully? How much is this one? Got it. Just cut it. What's up? What's up? Video. I ate it. So that's actually the way I rejected his second attempt of making me stop doing this for my fans. Watch the rest. So guys, as you can see right now, it's already getting dark. So guys, this wow, it's 6:56. This is 7 o'clock. We started by 11:06, and this is 7 o'clock. And I've not still eaten. Later I'm gonna calculate it. I don't know how much. I'll give it to you guys. Give it to me. Just at this time, just hit the subscribe button. You can see me now. I'm totally down. I'm totally down. But I'll keep going. I'm really hungry, but don't try this at home. So guys, days start right turning to night, and I have not actually eaten. I'm so down right now. See, before one comes out here, it was totally, now it's totally dark. It is 7:05. As I was trying to complete the quest of finishing 34 hours without eating or drinking any form of water, I never knew my brother has his own plans.
So guys, right now it's been 10 hours and he has not eaten.
Hey, I'm rejecting it until you reach 12 hours. Still making that mistake. This is what it is. Not the mirror, not just go comment. If you like our video, comment. Let's break it. Yes, yes. I'm not trying to break it. Yes, yes. Oh my god! I made food. I'm too damn without eating.
He's eating it, he's eating it, he's eating it. When he's eating it, he's eating it. Gotcha. Dying, gotcha.
At least I made 1,100. You up on it. Actually, we were meant to survive 30 hours, but we did only 11 hours, no 12 hours. 12 hours. We only 12 hours. Started by 11 and ended by 11. I really love you guys. Keep supporting me. Together, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. I'll see you guys in my next video. What I have to say? Play the thriller.